Hi, this is Zdenka. If you are a content creator who is struggling keeping up with posting on different platforms because changing aspect ratios manually can be really time consuming, then this video is for you. First, I'm going to create a vertical video with the precision out of long form video to be posted on platforms like Instagram. And then I'll show you how you can create a cinematic video with those black bars and text effect out of just regular 16:9 video. This video is brought to you by Wondershare. To make this process as easy as possible and as fast as possible, I'm going to be using a software, Wondershare Filmora, the latest version, which is 14. A software that is not only for beginners, but also experienced video editors. It's just simple, very easy to use. There are many great tools shown under the toolbox that really speed up your workflow. Here are newly added tools. Let's go back to create a project. Below the new project bar is Auto Reframe. Let's hit that. New window opens up. Let's just hit this square to maximize the window. I'm going to import a clip that is in 16:9 standard YouTube ratio. Under aspect ratio, you can see a list of different aspect ratios to choose from. I'm going to select the first one that is 9:16 since I want to repurpose this video for Instagram. The next step would be hitting the Analyze button. The software is enabling subject tracking or is choosing the best view for the vertical video. Once it is done, you will see this green frame that is moving when you play the video, as it is keeping the subject in the center. You see this green box because you can adjust the frame manually. Let's first turn off the adjust frame to see how the actual reframe looks as of now. Let's explain another setting, and that is the motion speed. Right now it is set to auto, so the software is automatically selecting how fast the frame is going to move. If you feel that the movement is too fast, you can change it to slow. Once you change it, you have to hit the Analyze button again. Right now, it already looks great, but I want to make some tweaks on my own. Let's turn on back again the adjust frame. I'm going to go slowly through the clip, and where I see that I am not perfectly centered, I'm going to drag the frame. This red line will show up below on the line to hold the frame. I'm just going to continue going through the clip and perfect the framing even more. This step has to be done after you select the motion speed, because if you change the speed and hit Analyze, you will lose all your manual adjustments. Now that I am done, I will turn off the adjust frame feature so I can see the preview once again. I like the edit, so now I'm ready to export. I can export it straight to my computer if I hit the export, or I can export it to a timeline if I want to do a further edit. For example, if I decide to reframe my whole full-length YouTube video and then decide to only cut bits and pieces. Let's hit the Add to Timeline. Here it is asking me if I want to match to media or keep project settings. I'm going to select Match to Media, as that is the reframed video. It's going to do a little bit of a work and then show the reframed video. At the same time, the video will be also saved to a computer. Here, if I want to export, I can also save it to my computer as well, but I can also save it directly to social media, YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok. Let's do something more fancy. Once in a while, somebody asks me in the comments below the videos, how did I add those black bars at the top and at the bottom, those cinematic black bars? You either love them or you hate them. I like them. It gives this really nice wide look to videos. Let's import a batch of clips this time to show you that it can reframe more videos at once. This time I'm going to select the last aspect ratio, 21:9. Let's hit Analyze, and Now you can see it is working on all imported videos. Once it is done, it's going to play the first clip automatically. Here you can also adjust the frame position yourself, but this time up and down. If I turn off the adjust frame, I can see the final look. If I wanted to save them all, I would just click hit export to save the clips to the computer. Let's just continue with one clip and save it to a timeline. This time though, I'm going to select keep project settings because I want those black bars visible. If I'm going to select match media, the black bars will be gone. It will be just a wide video. The clip is here on the timeline. Let's add some nice title at the beginning of the video. I am going to go to titles at the top here and select, for example, big title pack title 01 and drag it above my main timeline. The title has nice animation, looks quite clean and bold. When I double click the title, I can change the text here. Let's put my day trip for the line 1, and for the second line, Port Perry 2024. There are so many other tools to change the text even further, but let's just keep it the simple way. What I want to change is the in animation at the beginning. Let's hit animation, select in, and here you have so many choices to choose from. I like the cinema style for this one. Let's keep it there. You can make the whole title play longer or shorter. Just drag the side and we are done. As you can see, it's super easy. If you are not familiar with Filmora 14, I'm going to place the link below the video in the video description so you can try it out how you like it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to check out one of these next. See you there. Ciao. Ahoj.